Good morning and welcome to the next lecture of Control System and PLC. Today we are going to cover the next step of programming, how to add delay in the program. We know that whenever we have to execute some program or whenever we have to execute some instruction after some delay, we have to add a waiting period in the program. So in microcontroller, generally we know that we have special timers. Two timers are there, 16-bit timers are there. Similar to microcontroller, also in control PLC, we have timers. Okay, so here there are actually, depending upon the controller you are selecting, PLC you are selecting, there are different types of timers, different number of timers are there. So generally in Allen Bradley, there are two types of timer. One is on timer and second is off timer. But basically, both the timers are of two types or two categories. First is a retentive timer and second is non-retentive timer. What is meant by retentive and non-retentive timer? So retentive timer is a timer in which whenever power supply of PLC is cut off, the whatever values that are incremented in timer that remains as it is, means its memory does not erases when power supply cuts off. So that is called as a retentive timer, means whenever power is gone, obviously PLC will stop executing. When power restores again, whatever values are stored in the timer, that values are retained as it is, means it starts executing where it was stopped when power was cut off. And a non-retentive timer means obviously when power supply is cut off, it will start executing from the first instruction. Means we know that whenever timer generates delay, it increments its value from 0, 1, 2, 3 till that value, that whatever delay we want. So similarly here, we know that in non-retentive timer, the value of the timer erases and it starts from the first value. It starts incrementing from the first value. Okay, so this is your non-retentive timer. So again, there are two categories of timers. First is a retentive timer whose value is retained when power supply is retained, and the second is non-retentive timer when the value is non-retained. So it is erased when power supply is restored. It will start from the first value, means it starts from 0. It starts incrementing from 0. So all the delay which was calculated previously, that delay is erased and again new delay is started. So that is your non-retentive timer. So next is two types of timers are there. Suppose you are executing something and some device which is to be turned on, that is initially off. So before turning on any device, whatever delay you are providing, that delay is called as a on delay. Means suppose one motor is there, after certain time, means after 10 seconds of execution of first instruction, after 10 seconds you have to turn on that motor. Means before turning on motor you have to add delay, so that's why that delay is called as a on delay. And suppose one motor is on initially and suppose some condition is arised, when that motor is on and you have to turn it off after some delay, some millisecond delay, microsecond delay, some second delay, some minute delay, whatever amount of delay, that depends upon condition. So whenever you have to turn off after certain time, so that delay is called as a off delay. Okay, so that delay which is used in Allen Bradley, it is called as a off delay. So depending upon PLC, the delay or the timer instruction varies. Suppose if you go for the FATEC PLC, then only on timer is there. There is no off timer. Getting? So there is no off timer. But in Allen Bradley PLC, in other PLCs also, there are on timer and off timer. So we'll see it one by one, that how this delay instruction is used in the PLC. Okay. So let me share the screen first. I hope it is clear now. What is the timer? Timer is obviously to produce delay, to produce waiting period, we have to use that instruction. So there are two types of timer. That is, first one is your retentive timer, which restores the value when the power is restored, and a non-retentive means its value is erased. It starts executing from the first incrementing value, that is, it starts from 0. So let me share the screen now. So I hope it is visible now. So see, this is the timer instruction. If you see this only, this part, what I am highlighting here, if you see this clearly, correct? So this is your delay instruction or timer instruction. Okay. So this timer instruction, as you can see, it has generally 4 things. Uh, I have already explained you how the addressing format is there. The addressing format of any instruction is like, first of all, we give the file value, then we give colon, then we give the word value, and then the bit value. Okay. So here, as you can see, it is mentioning over here that it is a T on timer. So this is what T on timer. Okay. From this point, you can say that this is the T on timer. Correct? Here. This is T on timer. So this is on timer. This is off timer. TOF. This is TON. This is TOF. So I have mentioned here this is on delay timer and off delay timer. But previously, let's recall again. There are 2 types of timers or category of timer. Retentive timers. Okay, first one is retentive timer. The specialty of retentive timer is that if you listen carefully, then retentive timers are the timers whose value is restored. Value is restored when power is restored. Again, power cuts off, still values of accumulator is not raised. Correct? This is what retentive timer. Correct? So similarly, second type of timer is non-retentive timer. So value is not restored when power is restored. Power cuts off, values of accumulator are erased. So this is your retentive and non-retentive timer. Okay. So this is the basic thing. Okay. This is the basic thing. So I'll explain now timer, on delay timer and off delay timer. So whenever say suppose first condition is there, condition number 1, that before turning on of motor to add delay, we use on delay timer. Condition number 2 is motor is on initially, before turning it off to add delay, we use of here motor is off initially. Clear? I hope it is clear now. Correct now? So this is your conditions: retentive, non-retentive, retentive, non-retentive timer, correct? And on delay and off delay timer. Okay, where to use, when to use. Okay, so in this way you can use this timer. Now how to use the instruction? Now we got what is timer, what is retentive, non-retentive timer. Now we got the conditions: when to use on delay timer, when to use off delay timer. Now we are using instruction now. So as you can see here, in delay instruction, see, I am drawing here. If you see this, this same box I have drawn over here. In this box, what are the things? Because the screen is blurred somewhat, so I'm writing here again: timer on delay. Okay, just reducing font by some value. Okay, first is timer number. First is timer number, that is T4 colon, say suppose 0 number. This is for example, you can take any value. Then time base is 1 sec, suppose 1 second. Then the preset value, say suppose 10. How timers are working, I'll explain that. But just listen what is in there. ACC. Okay, so ACC is, say suppose 0. Now this is, consider that this is a on delay timer. Okay, I hope you are getting now this. Please show me the thumbs up so that I can see whether you have understood up to this. Please show me the thumbs up. एकांनीच दिले आतापर्यंत. Now see here, this is timer T4 colon 0. So I have already explained you. T stands for timer, 4 stands for file number. In previous lecture, you can go through the previous lecture. I have already explained you that file number 1 is for input, then 0 is for output, then 2 is for different thing, then the 4 is for timer, 5 is for counter, 6 for is integer. So I have already explained you what is that file number, or that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have already shown you in previous lecture. You can go through it. Okay, or else I can show it again today also. Then colon stands for a file separator. Okay, here what I am showing, see, I have highlighted here. This T stands for timer, 4 stands for its timer file number. So 4 is always a timer, then colon and that 0. So 0 stands for the 0th timer, getting 0th timer. Likewise in Allen Bradley, we have 256 timer. So that will range for from T4 colon 0 to T4 colon 255. So likewise 255 timers are there. So 256 on delay timers are there and 256 off delay timers are there. Means same timer you can use in on delay or off delay. Means you have to mention over here whether it is on timer or off timer. Likewise, what I here see here the T on. So if 4 colon 0 is T on, then you will use T off 4 colon 1. So 4 colon 0 cannot be used for off again because you have already used for on delay timer. Okay, so time base. So 1 second. Like in microcontroller, the what we say increment period is fixed of 1.085 microsecond. Correct? एक increment fix होतं 1 microsecond म्हणजे timer एक ने increment झाला तर delay होणार होता 1.085 microsecond. But here time base is 1 second. Means whenever timerचा accumulator जेव्हा एक ने increment होईल तर delay होईल 1 second. Okay. So here time base is 1. So here maximum time base is 1. It can be 1 millisecond or 1.1 second also. Okay, means 1 second, 0.1 second or 0.01 second. So this time base can be there. So if you want precise delay, you will go for 0.01 or 0.1, or if you have to give delay with large timing, then you can go for 1 second. So 1 second stands for the incrementing delay. Okay, एक increment मध्ये किती delay. So preset, next thing is preset. So preset is 10. Means जसं आपण मायक्रोकंट्रोलर मध्ये काय करत होतो की तुम्हाला जेवढा डिले पाहिजे, whatever delay you want, you subtract that value from 65 by 35. Correct? Maximum value मधून subtract करत होते. Then टायमर तिथून स्टार्ट केला की टायमर कंप्लीट झाला, ओव्हरफ्लो झाला की तेवढा डिले ऑटोमॅटिकली जनरेट होत होता. मीन्स वी वेर युझिंग रिव्हर्स engineering. But here in case available 20 means the last value timer shows how much delay has been already gone. If accumulator is 2 means 2 second already gone. If accumulator is 5 means already 5 second has been gone. If accumulator reaches to 10, then timer completes. We say that timer is complete. So I hope all these 4 things are clear. So major things are preset and accumulator. How much delay you want, you will write in preset, and accumulator status shows that how much delay has been passed. Okay. Now here you can see that enable is there. So here this 2 outputs, this is nothing but the output. In this way we write the output, but actually in Allen Bradley we have 3. In that figure it is not showing clearly, but actually there are 3. Okay, so what are them? First is enable, second is done, and third one is T2. I hope you are seeing it. Okay, so first is enable. As you can see here, when this input is on, correct, means ज्यावेळेस हा NO कनेक्शन बटन कोणी स्विच प्रेस करेल, या टायमरला करंट जाईल आणि टायमर काय होईल, स्टार्ट होईल, काउंट करायला स्टार्ट होईल, कारण की ती इन्स्ट्रक्शन एनेबल झाली. सो ॲज सून ॲज दिस टायमर रिसिव्ह दिस करंट असा आला बटन प्रेस केल्यावर, जेव्हा याला सिग्नल मिळेल हा एनेबल बिट काय होतो, हाय होतो, हाय, ज्याला आपण लॉजिक 1 म्हणतो. सो एनेबल बिकम्स हाय. ओके, enable becomes high. आता enable 1 झाला, accumulator एक एकने वाढायला सुरुवात झाली. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. When accumulator becomes equal to 10, then this done becomes high. So जसं मायक्रोकंट्रोलर मध्ये फ्लॅग बीट होता, ओव्हरफ्लो बीट होता. ओव्हरफ्लो बीट 1 झाला, बरोबर? Overflow bit 1 झाला. It indicates that timer is completed. So similarly here, when done bits become high, it indicates that your timer is completed. It has calculated the 10. Okay. And what is this TT? Timer ticking. Timer ticking. जसं घड्याळामध्ये 1 सेकंडचा काटा कंटिन्युअस फिरत राहतो, म्हणजे तो 1 सेकंड काय होत असतो, टिक होत असतो. सो इथे सिमिलरली काय होतंय की टिकिंग होते, बरोबर? अॅक्युम्युलेटर 1 ने वाढला, तिकडे हाय लो पल्स आली, परत अॅक्युम्युलेटर 2 झाला, हाय लो पल्स आली. ओके, सो दॅट इज द केस. सो ऑल these 3 bits are there. So I hope it is clear now. Getting? So see it again, see it. If you are having in doubt, you can show me in the chat box whatever doubt you are having. So enable means when timer starts, enable becomes high. When timer completes, done becomes high. And when TT means whenever it is counting 1, 1, 1. So every time it gives high to low pulse, high to low pulse. 0 चा 1 झाला, high low. परत 1 चा 2 झाला, high low. 3 high low, 4 high low, likewise. Okay, so this is your timer instruction. Off delay timer, same, but in off delay timer, the most major difference in this on delay timer and off delay timer is that only this done bit. हा जो done bit तुम्ही इथे चेक करताय, see here preset value is 200. Okay, as soon as this button is pressed, what will happen? This timer, off delay timer, this is off delay timer turns on. Okay, so enable for on delay timer, off delay timer, both are same. Enable is same. Okay, म्हणजे on run condition true झाली की on delay timer चा पण enable high होणार, off delay timer चा पण enable high होणार. The difference is between done of on delay timer and done of off delay timer. Initially for on delay timer, done is low. When timer completes, it becomes high. And for off delay timer, the done is high initially. And when this accumulator becomes equal to preset, done becomes low. This is the major difference. And that's why this is on delay timer, because when the condition becomes true and timer completes, it becomes high, means it is turning on. Okay, and here in off delay timer, the done is initially high, means it is on. Okay, and when timer completes, output become low, means turning off. That's why the name is given on delay timer and off delay timer. Okay, so preset and accumulator, whatever maximum value you have to, whatever delay you have to give, you will write in preset. And accumulator, in most of the cases, it is initially 0. You can write something in it. Means suppose in off delay timer, the second condition you can see here. You can see here that preset is 200. And if you have to start it from 100, then in accumulator, you can write here 100. So timer will start from 100 value. So 100, like in microcontroller we do. So 100, 101, 102. But it is not useful. जर तुम्हाला 100च सेकंड डिले पाहिजे तर तुम्ही अॅक्युम्युलेटर 0, प्रीसेट मध्ये 100 टाकू शकता. इथे 200 टाकायचं आणि खाली 100 टाकायचं, सेम. म्हणजे इथे 200 टाकून खाली अॅक्युम्युलेटरला 100 टाकलं तरी पण 100 सेकंडचा डिले होईल. आणि तुम्ही जर प्रीसेट मध्ये 100 टाकून खाली 0 टाकलं तरी पण काय होईल, 100 सेकंडचा डिले. सो दिस इज द केस. ओके, सो सी if any query is there, you can ask me. Okay, already time is running out. So what we'll do, we are ending the session, we are rejoining it. Okay, so that